First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Mahima Munda, studying in 12th Science. Yes, I am here to give a speech on the topic how to balance our environment today. As we know that it is very important to us to save our environment, and we have so much of knowledge to save our environment. We can't do so many things, but we can do little to our environment so that it may help to our environment. Yes, we can plant trees, uh, we can clean up the roads, or plastic bags can be collected and thrown into the dustbins so as not to pollute the environment. And also we can use LPG gas instead of using firewood so as to reduce the air pollutions. And we can uh, donate some old clothes to the poor instead of throwing away so that it does not pollute the environment, as it takes long time to degrade that old clothes. So it's better that we donate that old clothes to the poor ones. And we should even not waste foods, because uh, it's like if we waste food, there are some people, poor people, who does not get to eat. So it's best thing is that we can, if we see some poor people, just we can collect that food, leftover food, and just give it to them so that at least they can have a one meal at a time. And so let me discuss about the air pollution. Air pollutions are caused by many of the, like, vehicles, which they release so much of toxic gases. And the land pollution which we cause is by throwing away the wrappers without thinking that it is going to pollute the environment. And the most important thing is that when we travel uh, to different places, we think that nobody is staying here, or it's like mountain area we are traveling. We eat on the inside the vehicle, and after that we just throw it. We think that just one piece of plastic paper wrapper, what will be causing to the environment is just only one. So we must not have that thinking, because even the one piece of paper takes lots of year to degrade. So it's very harmful to our environment. So it's better that if we travel to other places also, we should carry extra bag for the waste, so that we don't throw away it anywhere. But the main thing is that we should not be lazy to carry that bag too, so that it does not pollute our environment and uh, keep our environment happy. And the main thing is again water pollution. Water pollution is that we can say that only we the human are not suffering in the by causing water pollution. Even the aquatic animals, those are living in the water, they are facing the major cause of it. And we see here and there the newses, or we listen to that many of the fishes are dying because of the plastics that are floating on the river. The aquatic animals are so much of are being destroyed because of the water pollutions. And even the oil spilled by the ships, uh, they should also be taking care of that. And we should also be the one should take care of it. So let me show you one example by taking this bottle. As you can see, the small pieces I have put inside this bottle. Yeah, you can see here. So I have done this because after, like, see, after using like this kind of packets, we usually what it do is we usually tear it like this. We got the habit of doing this, but so it's become difficult for the sweepers and cleaners to collect these small pieces from the roads. So it's better that we tear off like this, tear off and keep attached to this packet, so that it does not uh, uh, pollute the environment, and does not give problems to the sweepers or cleaners to collect these all things. As we know, the small piece of wrapper is going to pollute so much to our environment. So the small piece of wrapper which we have already tore out, we can just take one this kind of bottle that we already use and does not need to be used. So just we can do is that we put that wrapper inside and keep it and fill it up and throw away, so that it becomes easy for the cleaners. So just by saying that, I would like to conclude my speech, and thank you for listening to my speech.